Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. We spent the week in Las Vegas at CES 2020 to find out what's new in smart home technology, and we wanted to bring our experience to you.
Let's hear what one company had to say.
Typically, I'd have the perfect glassware for you, but give it
So where can I buy it now that I have where can I buy it?
Just straight water.
Any water will work.
Marvin is going to be what's coming from there.
So, did you guys grab a lemon bubbly?
Not yet.
Okay, so here's what we're going to do. Sorry for the little delay there. So essentially every one of our beverages has what we call a trust mark on it. So what in the appliance has a camera inside of it. So it lets it know it's an authentic Drinkworks pod. It encourages you to put it over a certain size glass because it knows the pod that's in there. And essentially once you press start, it's good to go. And what's happening here is it's sucking the water through a fast-acting cold plate. It chills all the water down to 37 degrees. It cleans the water through a UV light and a Brita filter. And then it adds CO2. So you'll hear a small release right now where CO2 is being added. And then it mixes the cocktail inside the pod. And voila, fresh cocktail on demand.
So it figures out that it needs carbonation.
Yeah, so it lets you know how much water to add, how much carbonation to add. And here comes the best part. We get to enjoy it.
Oh, perfect. Oh, it's
Right in time. It's like we heard you.
Thank you.
Cocktail is all sports. So our beverages are essentially 3 sizes right now, between 4 and 8 ounces. But the appliance is programmed to make like 25.
Thanks for joining us here in Las Vegas for CES 2020.
We've included more information about the company we visited and their products in the description box below. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And for more smart home stories, visit appmyhome.com. Thank you.
Thank you.